In today's video, we are gonna do our first draft. You can actually see it here on the screen now, but I kind of blurred it out, so we're gonna do a reveal soon. So basically, how we are gonna do this is use the ChatGPT code interpreter, as we have done in the previous videos. We have some data sets that we're gonna use, and we're gonna use a Python script that GPT-4 created for this, that is gonna optimize a value I'm gonna show you now. So if we head over to our data sets here, you can see we have this value called form plus fixture difficulty, and this is basically, we calculated this previously with the code interpreter, so we get a form score that's based on last season's stats, and this fixture difficulty is based on the 3 first game weeks, and this is calculated. This is basically just added, right? So we get a score here. So let's just take a look at the prompt before we take a look at the script we're gonna use. So we're basically gonna use our previous kind of system role here. So you're a data scientist, FPL and Python expert. Here is our FPL strategy. So we have a main focus that is gonna pick a FPL team that has the best possible mix of high-end, mid-range and value picked, optimized for the 3 first game weeks. With a budget that at least uses 99 out of the 100. A captaincy choice, I don't think I implemented that into the script, but we can maybe look at that in another episode. But I set some values here, so I wanted to set a 4.5 goalie, because I haven't calculated the score for goalkeepers yet. And I just set my bench. This is basically just placeholders. I always go 4-0, 4-0, 4-5, 4-5, right? And then we are gonna use the uploaded Python script to pick players for a team, optimized for maximum possible total form plus fixture difficulty score, like we talked about. And the remaining budget is 78.5, and that is of course after withdrawing these values here. So we are left with a budget of 78.5. Always find a combination with the highest possible form plus difficulty score. And you can see I have the Python script here. So this is gonna try to do that. I'm not gonna go through this, but you can see we have def mid, we have some budget allocations here. I did not set this up, so this was GPT-4. And I think we're just gonna look how this went, and then we're gonna take a look at our team. So it just started here by opening all the files we uploaded. We uploaded the Python script, the FPL rules, and our data sets. And you can see it just read all the rules here. Players per team, starting 11, captain and vice captain, transfers, basically all the FPL rules. And you can see here, it kind of used the script. It loaded all the, you can see the top 20 def, the top 20 forwards, the top 20 midfielders. And it loaded all of this into our Python script. And we got some results back here. So let's take a look at them in a different form. For defenders, the top 5 players. So this was Estupiñán, Van Dijk, Robertson, Gabriel and White. For midfielders, there were Salah, Rashford, Saka, McAllister, Martinelli, Haaland, Watkins, Mitrovic, Nunes and Jesus. These were like top 5 in each category, right? And then it's gonna use this script we uploaded and implement all of this. So you can see it just explain here how the script works. I don't think we need to go through that. And here it's gonna run it. So you can see it running a script here, calculating all the possible scores. And here is what we ended up with. So this is gonna be our starting first draft team. Estupiñán from Brighton, Gabriel from Arsenal, Dalot from United, Salah, Rashford, McAllister, Pereira, Haaland, Watkins, Mitrovic. And the total fixture difficulty score for the selected forwards are 139.5. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this. So you can see here is the team. How are we on budget? I think we have 1 million remaining. But remember, we put in, it has to have used at least 99 million out of the 100. So that's kind of interesting. So what should we say about this team? Just take a quick look here. I haven't done anything about captain yet. But other than that, I'm kind of liking this. Like, we only have 1 Arsenal players. That could be an issue. Is McAllister gonna play? Is Dalot gonna play? So I'm gonna monitor that and maybe come back with some fresh data later. But other than that, I kind of liked it. Maybe I would have preferred Saka instead of Rashford, but that's fine. I like the strikers. I like Watkins. I like Mitrovic. So overall, pretty happy with this. We even have Botman on the bench here. So yeah, I guess this is our first draft here in the AI FPL. So it's going to be interesting to see when we can start to collect some more data on friendly matches and stuff, see who is going to play. We can try to implement that, adjust some values maybe, tweak it, select captains, look at some other stuff. So I think it's going to be real interesting. I also think I'm going to make some videos about value defenders, value forwards, more advanced analysis, some visuals maybe. So stay tuned for that. So maybe give this video a like if you think this is cool and you want to follow along. Maybe subscribe to my channel, that'd be cool. And yeah, guess I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.